Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine. Welcome to concept building session of capitalization and punctuation. Dear students, you can identify capital and small letters from the given picture and you know where to write capital and small letters in a sentence. Let's discuss when do you use capital letters. Look at the sentence. Is Jack playing today? What's wrong with this sentence? Let's figure it out. Students, look at the sentence again. Here mistakes are written in red. Let's discuss them one by one. Look at the first word is. I of is must be written with a capital letter because this is the start of a sentence. Now look at the second word Jack. Here J and K both are red. It means both are incorrect. Jack is the name of a person. It is naming word. So we should write here capital J. Look at K. This is the last letter of a word and you know that last letters are always written in small. Now come to the third word playing. In playing, N is capital as this is the middle letter, so it cannot be written in capitals. Last word of this sentence is today. Today is a common noun, and we do not start common nouns with capital letters if they come in the middle or at the end of a sentence. So T of today must be written in small. There is another capital letter in word today. D. As we have discussed earlier that middle letters cannot be written in capitals, so D must be written in small. Look at the punctuation at the end of a sentence and read the sentence. Is Jack playing today? What type of sentence is this? This is an asking sentence. So asking sentences end with question mark. Is Jack playing today? Question mark. Now this is the correct sentence. Students, capitalization means writing capital letters. Students, let's talk about mints. Mints is smart way to remember capitalization. M stands for month, I stands for letter I, N stands for names, T stands for titles, and S stands for start of sentence. Let's have a look at examples of each letter of mints. M. Months of the year. January, February. Days of the week. Sunday, Monday. Names of holidays. Christmas, Thanksgiving. You can see that all the first letters of months, days, and names of holidays are capitals. It means that months of the year, days of the week, names of holidays always start with capital letters. I, letter I or pronoun I. Look at the example. I bought an ice cream when I went to the shop. In this sentence, I came twice. First I is the start of the sentence, that is why it is written in capital. And the second I is in middle, I went to the shop. Here I is used as a pronoun, that is why it is in capitals. N. Names. Names of people. Tom, Jan. Names of pets. Rex, Fluffy. Names of places. Disneyland, McDonald's. You can see that names of people, pets and places always start with capital letters. T. Titles. Titles of books, movies, etc. I love the movie Up. Here, U of up is capital because this is title of a movie. I am reading Harry Potter. H of Harry and P of Potter are capital because this is title of the book. S. Start of sentence. Whenever we write a new sentence, we always start it with a capital letter. For example, my dog found its bone. Here, the sentence starts with M, that is why it must be capital. Students, let's discuss punctuation marks. Students, punctuation marks help to make the meaning of sentences clear. They also tell us where to pause when the sentences are read aloud. They may also tell us about the type of sentences, whether it is a telling sentence, an asking sentence, or an expressing sentence. Punctuation marks are full stop, question, exclamation, comma, and apostrophe. Full stop. It is used at the end of a telling sentence. For example, there are two books on the table. Full stop. I am going to party. Full stop. It means that we always end a telling sentence by putting full stop. Question. It is used at the end of an asking sentence. For example, what is your name? Question mark. Where is everyone going? Question mark. It means all asking sentences end with question mark. Exclamation. It is used to show anger, happiness, surprise, or other strong feelings. For example, hurrah! We won the match. Ouch! It really hurts. In the first example, exclamation mark is after hurrah, which shows feeling of happiness. In the second example, exclamation mark is after ouch, which shows feeling of pain. Comma. It is used to separate words or items in a list. For example, she has two dogs, comma, three cats, comma, one bird, and five fish in her house. Example number 2. She ate cake, comma, ice cream and cookies at the party. We can add more items by putting comma in a single sentence. Apostrophe. There are two types of apostrophe which show contraction and possession. Apostrophe as contraction. It shows that one or more letters has been left out. For example, I will. If we convert it into contraction, I apostrophe double S, I will. That is, that apostrophe S, that is. It means apostrophe as contraction shrinks two words. Apostrophe as possession. Students, it shows the relationship between the person and things. For example, Mr. Lee apostrophe S car, Mr. Lee's car, the car of Mr. Lee. Aliza apostrophe S book, Aliza's book, the book of Aliza. Dear students, remember to capitalize the mints. Dear students, here is a paragraph. You have to capitalize it using mints and add punctuation marks wherever needed. Do this paragraph on your rough notebook as practice. I hope you have understood the concept of capitalization and punctuation. In the next video, we will be solving worksheet number 1 capitalization and worksheet number 2 punctuation from your comprehension book. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.